All right, guys, hear me out. I know what you're thinking, but I had a brilliant idea, a brainstorm even. I, was, I keep, every time I walk by this thing and stub my toe on it, I can't help but wonder what I was thinking when I got this thing. Because I use this so infrequent, and yet this is my biggest machine. Yeah. So I was thinking, this round ram here is, I believe, 4 1/4 diameter, and I know Bridgeport has J-style spindle heads for the round rams. Now I know this isn't that type of machine, but what I'm thinking is, since this ram easily slides back and forth with you know, a couple of bolts and some arm muscle, I was thinking about making a vertical spindle for this machine. Something that I can attach to this. Maybe make a flange to go on the end of this, a big round flange with bolt holes. So I could push this back and then put a vertical spindle on that, and then use this machine for more than, once in a blue moon type of thing. Because the main problem with this machine is tooling. Getting tooling for this thing is just darn near impossible. It's a special taper. I think it's a Brown and Sharp 12 collet, which is just, they're hard to come by. I could show you the difference. All right, well, it's a Brown and Sharp 11, excuse me. Hang on, let me get the light. There we go. BS11. These are like $90 each on eBay. And again, this is an R8 collet compared to the collet. This thing's a monster. It has other holes here and this notch, but again, I'm just not sure what style this is. I haven't had much luck researching it, but I mean, in any case, point being, I'm thinking if I could upgrade the spindle or add a second spindle to this where I could use it. This is a really heavy duty mill, and it might enable me to do some other things. More so, the length of this table is what I'm most interested in, because one of the problems I have with my CNC mill is the work envelope. I'm restricted. I want to say it's almost 8 inches on the y-axis. On the x, I'm just throwing numbers out, but maybe 20 inches. I'd have to double check that, but I know the y-axis is just about 8 inches. And the nice part with this is it's got the knee mill part, so I can raise and lower the table. I don't know. Anyway, this is one of the things I've been contemplating. Tell me what you guys think. Now that the snow is just about to fall, we're looking at, I don't know, maybe 3 inches this weekend. I ended up taking the carburetor off my Sportster 1200. Well, hell, I did this like 5 years ago. I don't even remember how this thing goes back together, so it should be interesting. Let's hope I have a couple pictures in my phone somewhere. But in any case, I got to get a rebuild kit for this carburetor. Out of all my life, which is, well, I'll be honest with you, I'm 44. I've never seen gas shellac anywhere like this Harley carburetor. Never had the problem before, but for some reason in this carburetor it shellacks. I mean, literally, it looked like, I don't know, amber crystals. So I gotta order a rebuild kit for this, and then I'm gonna try to get this thing back together. I'm gonna put the order in tonight or tomorrow. I've got 2 weeks coming up off of work, so I'm gonna try to get done everything I can. Anyway, something to look forward to. Talk to you guys later.